How a $15 million solid gold Rolls-Royce is made. Rolls-Royce has always represented the highest level of automotive luxury. But occasionally, the company builds something so extreme that it no longer fits the definition of a car. It becomes a symbol of wealth, power, and craftsmanship without limits. This is a $15 million Rolls-Royce, constructed with extensive use of solid gold and built almost entirely by hand. It is not meant for speed records or mass production. It exists because someone asked for the impossible, and Rolls-Royce agreed. The process begins in complete privacy. There is no public announcement and no showroom display. A single client works directly with Rolls-Royce designers to create a one-of-one vehicle. Every detail is defined from scratch. The tone of the gold, the level of purity, custom engravings, personal symbols, and finishes that reflect status and legacy. At this level, the car is not purchased. It is commissioned. Before any physical work begins, engineers face a fundamental challenge. Gold, in its pure form, is not suitable for automotive use. It is too soft, too flexible, and too vulnerable to heat and wear. To solve this, Rolls-Royce develops a custom gold alloy, carefully engineered to balance beauty with strength. Each batch is tested extensively for durability, temperature resistance, and long-term stability. If it does not meet exact standards, it is rejected, no matter the cost. Once approved, the gold is ready to be shaped. Unlike conventional vehicles formed by automated machines, these body panels are crafted entirely by hand. Master craftsmen use traditional coachbuilding techniques that have been refined over decades. Every strike, every adjustment, must be perfect. A single mistake can destroy weeks of work and millions of dollars in material. Shaping just one panel can take months. When the panels are complete, they're carefully mounted onto Rolls-Royce's aluminum space frame. The factory floor is quiet. The work is slow and deliberate. Alignment tolerances are measured in microns, thinner than a human hair. Despite the added weight of gold, the vehicle must remain perfectly balanced. Luxury at this level is not visible. It is engineered. With the body assembled, the car moves into polishing. Gold does not naturally achieve its mirror-like finish. Artisans spend hundreds of hours polishing each surface by hand. Under specialized lighting, even the smallest imperfection becomes obvious. Only when the gold reflects flawlessly is the process allowed to continue. Even the smallest details are treated with the same level of care. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy is cast from solid gold, then hand-finished and polished. It is not just a hood ornament, it is a statement of exclusivity and heritage. To protect the gold, advanced transparent coatings are applied. These layers shield the surface from oxidation, scratches, and environmental damage while preserving its brilliance. The goal is longevity. This car is expected to look perfect not just today, but decades from now. Inside the cabin, the philosophy remains unchanged. Everything is done by hand. The leather is stitched slowly and precisely. Custom embroidery and gold thread accents are added according to the owner's vision. The interior is designed to feel silent and effortless, isolating the occupant completely from the outside world. Gold continues throughout the interior as well. Dashboard trims, switches, air vents, and controls are machined or plated with solid gold. Even components rarely touched receive the same attention. At this level, nothing is allowed to feel ordinary. Despite its weight, performance is never compromised. The engine is hand-assembled and tuned for smooth, quiet power. Acceleration is effortless. Noise is minimal. Rolls-Royce believes true power should never need to announce itself. Before delivery, the car undergoes an exhaustive final inspection. Every reflection is examined. Every stitch is checked. Every surface is reviewed under special lighting. If even the smallest flaw is found, the car does not leave the factory. There is no public reveal. No press event. No audience. The finished car is delivered privately to its owner. This is not simply a vehicle. It is craftsmanship without compromise. Engineering without limits. And gold transformed into legacy.